3D tutorials. Today's video we're going to talking about IK, FK and how we can create FK and IK in the same. And yeah, so the IK or FK, it's basically be using for the arms and legs. It is very good, but this can also be used for other objects. So starting by it, I have what the first thing you need to know. If you want to use IK, you will not create something like a straight joint. You need to actually go ahead and rotate the joint a bit, because Maya will not know it. So something like this example, as you can see here. So they have kind of curved a bit, so Maya can easily know which direction you need to create the IK for you. If you do this like this, I can just show you this very quickly. Go to the rigging, IK, and select this like this. Which position I will get, I don't know. So now I am getting this position because Maya is saying maybe it is this position you're looking for. So that is these things you need to know when you're building your joint. So I think what it says, not use this. So this one, actually I will show you the manual, which is FK controller, and I will also show you IK controller to it also. So before I sing it, if you want to use IK and FK, you need to create three type of the joint. First one is the joint self only, and you duplicate this joint and rename it to the FK, which is this, and you need to create FK control for the root and for the for this one as well. So you need to have this controller to it to control the FK. And the next, which is last, that is the IK. So for the IK, the same thing for the root, for the IK handle, and sometime if you want to rotation the joint or direction of the legs or whatever it is. So that is important. You need to have all these things. So just get this and duplicate this 2 times, FK, IK, and create the controller as you need. So for now we will start by the IK. So how we can make IK? The first thing we want to do, select the joint, the root joint, and select this, the controller, shift selected, P for parent. The parent tool, we can use it there, but sometimes it is some of the area we cannot using it. It will be showing in the FK. So this one, which is the IK handle controller, we need to connect it later. We need also parenting it to the controller root, P for parent. So now we have everything parenting, and you can also parent this one to this, of course. So everything has been parent. So how to make the IK? It is very easy. Double click, you can find it in the rigging shell, and here it is. But if you want to go to rigging and skeleton, find it in create IK handle, reset the tool and use this one, because if you're using the second one, which is the other, you cannot use this controller for it. So reset tool will be good. So select the first and the last. So excuse me. So now we have creating the IK handle, which is this one. So the thing we need, selecting it, and we can just testing it, it work. Select this and shift select the controller, P for parent, and that it is. So we have this controller can control the IK. If it is this and not for your project, so you can just keep it for this. But if you want to have rotation, so the next step will help you to control this. So to give the rotation for all of this joints or legs or whatever it is, so we can do this by actually we need to select the controller and shift select the IK handle. Be sure you have selecting the IK handle self. Where it is not. So select this, control, select the IK handle, and go ahead to constraint. And now you need to use pole vector. Reset the tool and add. What it does now we have this IK handle, and with this one I can just move it to the left or right or which direction it is. So I just undo this a bit. So here we go. So now we have creating the IK controller. So that is also important, you use the layer to make the FK also if you want to use the FK and IK. That is the first way to creating IK. If it is not, so you can just stop and your project is